I say, so you'll be able to create a YouTube channel. Video way one of the best video also share, because video will be more vivid information about how to do that and how to create a YouTube channel for a business. Alright, we did the HY and you know exactly how to do it. I say, Kamina, before say me create it and I'm a channel back when I'm creating and come was information we can be the best way to create a YouTube channel for a business, and I say, or they be making money online. I will Ghana and I be able to piano. This process. Make sure I mean you can create it on your phone, you can create it on PC. But the best way to do that is to create it on a PC and I say laptop. Now the channel say me do processing, no matter what with my person. I create a YouTube channel. Now feed the necessary settings say what's way you know. Emma or channel CP. So there be your channel will be to me upon Tintim no. Make sure you know. So now your first time I'll show me from HY and you know exactly how to do it. Video way is brought to you by the like and the subscribe button. When you subscribe, when I here, make sure subscribe and like, mommy. Without wasting much time, you're gonna make sure. Alright, into the first thing I'll be say, Obeko youtube.com. Now fee, wako sign in. Once youtube.com near one, and I'll change so sign in or no. Sekoba say, photo be the one as I was signing in and that. Mister signing out, but me try what need be answer. Until Obebo sign in so say. BBC baby. Na BBC be obehu email or phone ho. Na the thing say YouTube Google for there. The only account beat me and access YouTube Gmail. It is a winnie beer, ye koso, yakwiti Gmail. Now, how I'll be me, I set up a new Gmail for a year or YouTube channel. Until we share as why you will create account. Until create account no, ye be bosso. Until obo create account no so obe hum BBC. For my personal use or for my child or and for work and business. We know you say YouTube no a business. The best option also utusu for work or my business no. In case of say ope say an YouTube account that and our a Gmail account that ope so maintain no and no your wasem name hase no choose for my work and I say my business and no a good option. We create a year for work or my business. We create here. Okay, so we load number say normal options na be busa within or last name. No about a year, birthday, nessa normal stuffs na. So we say first name. Now one thing about name our born has in it doesn't have signing we know doesn't have anything to do with your channel. With my legal name Edia show. Opeswa the opeso boni bia no abasho the new way and the reflective ye or channel no so inti my member BBC and show on member next. Alright, so let me kind of boost out bev mountain bev the in bibia as regular na wabobo and the asho inti me fan say ya bo bibia wi asalati bibia wi na fi ya create a Gmail account na wi benya email kama sa email ne de login inti ya create we no yes den e be call YouTube ho inti say yanko YouTube on yan signing in. Alright, inti say no ya signing in to a account no inti wo hwese ho no ma obehu wo onisia so ho no inti we anaya den ya creating na ohwe na oboso abu create a channel that ho na fi wabo no create channel no bi be say ha mom na di ya bebo asha hase no mom be da ne channel name nti hase no yembo idi bia yepe for our channel name no nti my member test. Now we shall see na a handle. The handle no automatically be generate amount.
se ompa obetimi abo na wasesa no se osesa no na se handle na ya available no be mfa idea e betiki green sese ya na just say handle no betimi ayusu until we are no abo as a create channel hono na ade no aload ti yen twen man load wi. All right, now so see load we are seeing it here. You testing now hono and it be as in it here. Now the first settings that was ko and baby also wotimi ko a icon so obosoa na fi waselect a YouTube studio no wakoho ni akoye a settings ne ho hia ni nyina ti bia no abo YouTube studio no so yen twen man load. Now YouTube studio has no ana obenya settings bi wo hono ma so we use phone e dia create here nya access to those settings with PC no and I say with laptop no obenya all those access. Tienko continue. Welcome to YouTube studio. Got to continue. Now we'll continue as in it here. See those you hold no. Now as I say no, your dashboard you'll be your best settings kakra bi wa say. Na yako ti yebebo settings no so. Settings no ehye your left down hono. Ti yamo settings no so. Now as you click settings na see the general na first one down a general a currency in down with my US dollars. The person no access no about channel also. A very important. As you bebo a country of residence be a wo with my access no because be a create channel no our Ghana here. Then home is home. The opposite fee for so to be so country no. Ghana na keywords has no so ye idea describe what channel no na keywords no tags tags are no and a betche o channel no the found into word back we shall we are na word ne fa ho we are na fi wide mabo command so na fi ya dia to even say o channel no is about food about food, anything, any word associated with food, and how people can go for bar to be food or channel no should come up. It is in fancy say, yeah, they tester, the you test how to test. It be a Ghana testing, Ghana way, everything associated to you know, they testing. And I say food swat, and you anything associated with food, said you won't say channel no so big carry and once I'm and no bibusa bibi ho asem na so bi hwehwe aduan ho bibia eye channel no pop up ti ase no obobo keywords na shim na trick back we wan say obo uti keywords ni shima no abo channel name so aka ho bitu abo channel ni din na sha odi kan sha so be ya say obi search odi na channel be p abasro no eye that certain say wo na fi obo advance one dey normal things no one. I say no. Any class will come be also jabby be as and take be no janasa. Ujabby be won't unyanashe now if you are called I say was also checking baby was see. So eligibility no. Then check a second one no. So intermediate a features no. When the more keep it and I say uludu or upload ni mano and I say we no you get access to a custom thumbnails with my live streaming say audio phone number a shower and one you get access to the second features no so features no the second one there ninya anything now you can come back down to a third advanced features no because so create this channel for will be here some access bigger crib into eligibility so now you check off for my eligibility no you at right side where eligibility in that one will be here video verification no here a valid ID and channel history so a few and on a more when a third features no with time no. Now as for normal upload with default name of way now has in settings back up here ubeko advanced one now about advancedness need be a settings be or hodom name category no and one here and pan here nti yembo category no one bibi anan no one yembo ho wia ni actually what our channel is about to say a year music niabo how to and style niabo a gaming niabo a sponsor the piano na ya choose I don't know actually what our channel is about to we are not about a year save no so I know why set with that I don't know where we and that certain snack can a normal customization I see until pa with me ako a year or customization honum I don't know what logo bia na what the at all nti ma member a customization on the to share left honum na customization or and no boss wa say opeso chisao channel needing little say up a branding no and no a basic information and no how open no why the settings are much we a settings are here say we and the big channel na makoso the Canada will be deciding what to do with the yes we now my mention as you have seen I mean back on a creating links and adding links to a channel because say be a TikTok account be unya obe link a TikTok account na ka drive a traffic about our account has it nti on say o share say add link na wasi hona bitimi aboy no so oboso say ya ebeba na wabo ade crash o say TikToker we want see be a TikTok account now o bitimi about TikTok now I copy a URL no of TikTok no paste no other side on and one what my add a link no e wo face YouTube on nti with that being said no and one on we need settings here and those settings are me kind no say all creating of phones where unya settings now anyway me that was it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Makramo.